The magicians. In space, no one can hear a chicken. This is Prince Aureus Argent. He's the cousin of the Emperor of the Zodiac Empire. You know the magicians, said Monsieur Gar, a grey Exoration alien delegate from the embassy to Earth, where the magicians lived. Aureus bowed low and kissed the hand of the Exoration Princess Tourmaline, who he was introduced to. He was being charming. He thought her very pretty and had fallen in love with her. Charm can't work all the time. Aureus, isn't he the masked chicken? Said Tourmaline. Yes, said the chicken, his heart breaking. She had heard of him. He had been the court jester of space. An idiot who believed he was a hero but couldn't save himself. That was until he was disenchanted by the timekeeper, the uncle of his best friend Prince Jasper, the King of Doom. Now Aureus was a dashing, heroic, charming man of regular intelligence. So this recognition hurt him a lot. Why is he wearing a suit and cape? He looks like a magician, said Tourmaline, laughing. I am a magician, said Aureus, hurting more. I thought he was a fool who dressed like a yellow chicken creature from Earth, said Tourmaline. Aureus fought hard not to cry. She thought he was a fool. All he could do was smile like an idiot and leave her before he cried. I must go find Prince Jasper, Gar, said Aureus, walking off to find a cupboard to cry in. While he was crying in the cupboard, he heard, Is it a private pity party, or can anyone join? His best friend, Prince Jasper, called into the cupboard. Jasper opened the door. My reputation made a lady think I was a fool, said Aureus. She didn't know you changed, said Jasper. I know, said Aureus. She doesn't know you, said Jasper. She knows who I am, said Aureus, broken. Dry your tears. I'll help you talk to her, said Jasper. Thank you, my friend, said Aureus. Jasper noticed Aureus was in love when Aureus sang, There she is, pointing at Princess Tourmaline. Let's talk to her, said Jasper. They walked over to her. She spoke to Aureus. Chicken, who's your friend? Asked Tourmaline. Aureus was depressed. She'd fallen in love with Jasper. Prince Jasper Argent, my cousin, said Aureus, wanting to cry again. Is he the emperor of your system? She asked, obviously in love with Jasper. No, he's my emperor's grandson, Aureus said sadly. Grandson of the emperor, nice, he said, smiling. Introduce me. Chicken, he sang. This lovely lady is Princess Tourmaline, said Aureus. Hello, Princess, said Jasper. She's nice, said Jasper, in Aureus's mind. She likes you more than me, Aureus said telepathetically in Jasper's head. Sorry, said Jasper out loud by mistake. What is wrong, my prince? Asked Tourmaline, enchanted. I think you're confused, said Jasper. I'm married. Tourmaline looked a little sad. Where's your wife? Asked Tourmaline, hoping she could steal his affections off his wife if she was not there. She is Monsieur Gar's sister, said Aureus. Tourmaline thought she had a chance, as his wife was one of her people, so she cheered up. Aureus wanted to kick himself. Aureus is a widower, said Jasper, trying to help. Yes, he's weirder, said Princess Tourmaline, not actually noticing what Jasper was saying. She was distracted by his looks. It was like a dagger in Aureus's heart, being called weirder by her. Jasper noticed he was upset. He's not taken, said Jasper. Taken is a term that means abducted, said Tourmaline, trying to impress Jasper with her knowledge of the other people. No, I mean, he's not married, said Jasper. I hope you find someone one day, said Tourmaline, being polite. Jasper looked at Aureus, not sure what to say. She didn't see him as anything but the chicken. It was obvious, no matter what either of them said. It was all she would ever see.